Today on Henry Breaks, we have an alarm clock here, an advanced one to be specific, and it's getting really wet from the rain. So I'm gonna head back into I'm gonna go with the woods over that sewer grate over there. So, right here is where we destroyed our Future Tech help phone in a previous video. And we have this clock here, which doesn't really look that great for the showcase because it's all wet now, but it's got all these little buttons on it. And yeah, I'm not going to bother showing this all off to you, but I am just going to throw it. Oh, and that impact felt hard. But no damage sustained. I knocked some fillings loose though. The clock here is letting you know exactly what you should do. Subscribe. Couldn't really fit the E on there. But yeah. Oh, and yep, it is glass. I think that's just plastic, but yeah, we knocked... I'm gonna try to reassemble this here. So yeah, it's like pieces of a puzzle. Yeah, we should be good. Yeah, alarm clocks tend to destroy pretty well. One more reason why this is like the 5th one we've done on the channel. Oh, it's part of the screen there. And a battery. Oh, dirt. There goes the control panel. Yep. You're dead. And yeah, so long folks. I think that's about it for that alarm clock, but I am going to pick up all this garbage and put it in that bag over there, and I will see you next time on the channel. So long, suckers. Oh, and we have a couple other things to destroy, but I'm going to be filming those in a different go. I just had to film this and the help phone to get it uploaded today, because tomorrow's the 4th of July. But yeah, bye-bye.